Alright guys, got a tiny firecracker, Spanish. I just made it. Same thing as the last upload. It's like the same size, tiny 2.5, 3mm tube. I'm gonna bury it in this dirt and see what happens, you know? Just for fun. Hopefully it's not too loud. Shouldn't be. Fire in the hole. Oh shit, that was fucking way louder than I thought. Oh my god. Why did that fucking bang? I buried it. Okay, these are just too powerful. Holy fuck. That was crazy. Tiny at like less than 50 milligrams of powder. And it sounds like a damn gunshot.